She dropped shot.
Boys, can you just come back? There's a care package in it. Just come back here. There's a care package in a harvester up ahead. Team on the left here. Ciao. I think we just get on top of the hill here so they don't land behind us. Yeah, I know. Just hold here. They're gonna redeploy anyway. Someone's on me. I got one. Yeah, Resin, I can cover you. Alright, let's move, boys. Come on. Just get over here, Fuse. Just play over here. They're close quarters, no? We can maybe look to third this.
1 minute in the ring.
Watch out. There's still a team on our left, boys. Careful. There's still a team up here. We can't play here. We need to go back. They dropped down below. Careful. Just hold this high, guys. We don't have to go anywhere. Hey, we have shots over here. There's a knock guy. Never mind. Right here. Those guys are gonna have to move. Get ready to shoot. I wouldn't take that if I refuse. Just chill. Just chill, chill. They're out of zone. They're out of zone. They're resing below. They canceled. There's a team over here also. Fuse, I can give you a redeploy if you can. No, never mind. I can go over the res if you can cover Octane. I'm pushing out of the building.
Get out of this alive.
Thunder Gibraltar. Another. I'm popping a bat. They got the Gibby up. They got the Gibby up.
She dropped shot.
Nice shot, boys.
You are the Apex champions.